Do you dream of a beautiful garden but feel like your small space holds you back? Well, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you my top 7 must-have small trees and shrubs that are perfect for transforming even the tightest of gardens. These plants are small in size but big on impact, giving you all the style, color, and texture you need without taking up too much space. Before we get into the good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future garden inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I've got plant picks, care tips, and DIY ideas to keep your backyard thriving all year long. You'll be part of an awesome garden community. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 amazing small trees and shrubs that'll bring your garden to life. I'll share what makes each one a must-have, the USDA zones they thrive in, and some easy tips on planting and care to make sure these beauties grow strong and vibrant in your garden for seasons to come. You'll be amazed at how much beauty you can fit into a small space. Stick around until the end of the video because I've got a special bonus tip just for you. A simple trick to ensure your small trees and shrubs stay healthy and continue thriving even through the toughest seasons. You don't want to miss it. Having a small garden doesn't mean you have to compromise on beauty or variety. Small trees and shrubs are perfect for adding structure, height, and seasonal interest without overwhelming your space. But choosing the right ones, especially for your climate, is key. Each plant has specific USDA hardiness zones that tell you the minimum temperature they can survive. Let me explain what that means. Zones range from 1, coldest, to 13, warmest, and matching your plant to your zone ensures it will thrive throughout the year. Choosing plants that match your climate and zone is crucial for longevity, so be sure to pay attention to those numbers. I'll include the zone for each pick, so you can see if they're the right fit for your garden. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, the eastern redbud. This tree is truly a showstopper in early spring with its stunning display of small, vibrant pink to purple flowers that appear before the leaves even unfurl. It's perfect for a small garden because it adds height, color, and structure without overwhelming the space. Plus, those early blooms bring a burst of life after the cold winter months, making it a real highlight when everything else is still waking up. The eastern redbud is an ideal choice for smaller gardens because of its manageable size and stunning spring display. It's compact yet impressive, with flowers that cover the branches in early spring and add a gorgeous touch of color. It's a fantastic option if you want something that catches the eye and makes a statement without overtaking your garden. This tree thrives in USDA hardiness zones 4 through 9, meaning it can handle a wide range of climates, from cooler northern regions to warmer southern zones. Whether you're in a colder area or somewhere a bit warmer, the eastern redbud has you covered. As for size, this tree typically grows between 10 and 20 feet tall, with a spread of 12 to 25 feet. That makes it perfect for tight spaces where you want height without a tree that dominates the landscape. It fits nicely in smaller yards where you want to make a statement without overcrowding your space. The eastern redbud is adaptable to a range of conditions. It thrives in full sun to part shade, meaning it can handle a bit of light shade if you're planting it under taller trees or structures. It prefers well-drained soil, so make sure the area doesn't stay too soggy, which can cause root rot. Consider using the eastern redbud as a focal point near your garden entrance, where it can greet visitors with its vibrant early blooms. Alternatively, plant it as a backdrop to other flowers, creating layers of color and texture. Its medium size makes it a versatile addition to any garden design, whether as a specimen tree or part of a mixed border. To keep your eastern redbud in top shape, be sure to prune it in early spring, just before it blooms. This will help maintain its shape and remove any dead or damaged branches, allowing for healthier growth and a fuller bloom. Keep an eye out for any early spring frost that might damage the flowers, especially if you're in a zone on the colder end of its range. Plant number 2, Japanese maple. The Japanese maple is a must-have tree for any small garden, known for its stunning, delicate leaves that range from bright red to deep purple. Its beauty isn't just in its foliage, but also in its graceful branching structure, giving it an airy, elegant look. Perfect for smaller spaces, it adds sophistication and drama without overwhelming the garden. The vibrant foliage changes throughout the seasons, from fresh green in spring to rich reds and purples in fall, providing year-round visual interest. Its soft, lacy leaves make it an ideal choice for creating a serene, peaceful atmosphere perfect for a tranquil retreat. Thriving in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 8, the Japanese maple can handle cooler temperatures, but isn't suited for extreme heat or cold. This wide range makes it adaptable to many climates, from northern regions with mild winters to warmer southern zones. In terms of size, it typically grows 6 to 10 feet tall and 6 to 10 feet wide, which makes it perfect for small to medium-sized gardens. Dwarf varieties are also available, which are ideal for even tighter spaces. It's perfect for planting beneath taller trees or near garden structures where its compact size won't overwhelm the area. It fits nicely in smaller yards where you want to make a statement without overcrowding your space. The Japanese maple is adaptable to a range of conditions. It thrives in partial shade and prefers acidic, well-drained soil. It's important to avoid planting it in areas with soggy soil, as it can lead to root rot. For the best results, ensure the soil is consistently moist, especially during dry periods. Design-wise, the Japanese maple works well in shaded corners, as an understory tree or as a specimen tree to add a touch of elegance. It's also lovely when planted near a water feature or a rock garden, where its delicate leaves can create beautiful reflections. For care, prune after flowering to maintain its shape and prevent removing next year's buds. Regular pruning will also help keep the tree healthy, ensuring its beauty continues to shine through the years. Plant number 3, Prairifire crabapple. The Prairifire crabapple is a vibrant small tree that brings year-round interest to your garden. Its beautiful red to pink flowers in the spring cover the branches, creating a stunning focal point. After the flowers fade, the tree produces small ornamental fruit that attracts birds, adding life to your garden. In fall, the foliage turns a bright yellow to orange, providing a striking contrast to the red fruit. This multi-season display makes it perfect for gardeners seeking consistent color and texture in a compact space. It grows to about 10 to 15 feet tall and 10 to 15 feet wide, which makes it ideal for small gardens. It's the perfect size for planting near walkways, patios, or as a specimen tree. Its vibrant blooms and seasonal color changes are sure to catch the eye in any garden. This tree prefers full sun to thrive, which boosts its flowering and fruit production. It also enjoys well-drained soil, so plant it in a spot where water doesn't pool around the roots. While the Prairifire crabapple is relatively low maintenance once established, be mindful of pests like aphids and Japanese beetles that can target its leaves and fruit. For design, plant it near outdoor seating areas or in spots where its stunning blooms and colorful fall leaves can be enjoyed up close. It's also a great choice for attracting wildlife, particularly birds who love the small fruit it produces. Regular pruning after flowering will help maintain its shape and encourage healthy growth. Removing dead or damaged branches will prevent disease and keep the tree looking tidy. This simple care routine ensures the Prairifire crabapple will continue to thrive and bring color to your garden for years to come. Plant number 4, Fothergilla gardeni. The Fothergilla gardeni, also known as Dwarf fothergilla, is a beautiful, low-maintenance shrub that's perfect for small gardens looking for year-round interest. With fragrant, bottle brush-like white flowers that appear in early spring, this shrub provides an unexpected burst of color when most other plants are still dormant. As the seasons change, the fothergilla continues to impress with vibrant fall foliage that turns rich shades of yellow, orange, and red, offering an additional layer of beauty in your garden. Its compact size and delicate appearance make it an ideal choice for smaller spaces where you still want to make a statement. The Fothergilla gardeni thrives in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 9, so it can handle a range of climates. Whether you live in a colder region with mild winters or a warmer zone, this plant will adapt to your conditions. Its ability to thrive in these zones, along with its manageable size, makes it a fantastic choice for small gardens. This shrub typically grows to around 3 to 4 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide, which makes it ideal for small gardens where space is limited. Its modest size means you can easily fit it into flower beds, borders, or even use it as a specimen plant. It won't overwhelm your space, but it will still offer a stunning visual impact, especially when in bloom or during the fall color change. It prefers full sun to partial shade and thrives in moist, acidic, well-drained soil. It's important to ensure that the soil doesn't stay too dry or too soggy, so good drainage is key to keeping the plant healthy. Its unique foliage and fragrant flowers make it a great choice for planting near patios or seating areas where you can enjoy the scent and beauty of its blooms in the spring. For care, the fothergilla requires little maintenance once it's established, but it benefits from occasional pruning to remove dead or damaged wood. This should be done after it has finished blooming to avoid cutting off next season's flowers. During the growing season, it's a good idea to water the plant regularly to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry spells. Its relatively low-maintenance nature and stunning visual appeal make the Fothergilla gardini an excellent addition to any small garden. Plant number 5. Star Magnolia. The star magnolia is a small, early-blooming tree that brings stunning white or pink flowers in early spring. Its large, showy blooms appear before the leaves, making it one of the first trees to brighten up your garden each year. This tree's compact size and elegant flowers make it ideal for small gardens, adding a touch of beauty without overwhelming the space. The flowers are complemented by glossy green leaves, providing year-round visual appeal. This tree thrives in USDA hardiness zones 4 through 9, which means it can adapt to both colder and milder climates, offering versatility for gardeners across various regions. This tree grows 10 to 15 feet tall and 10 to 12 feet wide, which makes it perfect for small gardens or as a focal point near pathways or patios. Its size allows it to make a statement without taking over the space. It prefers full sun to partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. To ensure it thrives, keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry spells, but avoid waterlogged areas that could cause root rot. For design, place the star magnolia near a pathway or patio to enjoy its early blooms up close. It also works beautifully as a focal point or along the edge of a garden, where its delicate flowers can shine. To care for the star magnolia, prune it after flowering to maintain its shape and ensure next year's buds aren't removed. Light pruning will help the tree stay healthy and beautiful year after year. Plant number 6, Persian ironwood. The Persian ironwood is a small tree known for its striking bark and vibrant fall foliage. In autumn, its leaves turn brilliant shades of yellow, orange, and red, making it a standout in the garden. What makes this tree truly unique is its bark, which peels away in patches, revealing a beautiful array of colors and textures. This multi-season interest makes it an ideal choice for adding depth and texture to your garden. The Persian ironwood thrives in USDA hardiness zones 4 through 7, making it suitable for a wide range of climates. It grows 20 to 25 feet tall and 15 to 20 feet wide, making it a perfect specimen tree for small to medium-sized gardens. Its manageable size means it won't overwhelm your space, yet it still offers a dramatic presence with its bark and colorful foliage. The tree prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It's important to plant it in a location that allows for good root drainage to avoid waterlogged soil. Once established, it's drought-tolerant, though it does require regular watering during dry spells, especially in its first few years. Consider placing the Persian ironwood near a seating area where you can appreciate its intricate bark and changing colors. It's also a great addition to a mixed planting, adding texture and interest alongside other plants. Care for the Persian ironwood by watering it during dry spells and pruning lightly to remove dead or damaged branches. This will help keep the tree healthy and looking its best throughout the seasons. Plant number 7, Fringe tree. The fringe tree is a standout in any garden, especially when it blooms in spring. Known for its stunning, fragrant white flowers that resemble delicate fringe, this tree adds a striking and soft texture to your garden. The flowers create a dreamy, almost ethereal look, catching the light and filling the air with a lovely fragrance. Its beauty doesn't stop with the blooms. The fringe tree also provides great structure with its attractive branches and lush green leaves. This tree is perfect for those looking to add a unique feature to their garden that's both visually appealing and fragrant. The fringe tree thrives in USDA hardiness zones 3 through 9, making it suitable for a wide range of climates. From the colder northern zones to the warmer southern areas, it's a versatile tree that can adapt to many conditions. In terms of size, the fringe tree typically grows between 12 and 20 feet tall, with a spread of 10 to 15 feet. Its manageable size means it won't overwhelm your space, yet it still offers a dramatic presence with its bark and colorful foliage. It can be planted near other shrubs or trees for a layered look or used in a more open space as a solitary focal point. This tree prefers full sun to part shade and thrives in moist, well-drained soil. Ensure the soil is not too dry, as the fringe tree requires consistent moisture, particularly during dry spells. Proper drainage is important, so make sure the planting area doesn't become waterlogged, which could affect the tree's health. For design, consider placing the fringe tree near a water feature, where its delicate flowers and reflections in the water can create a serene, peaceful setting. Alternatively, use it as a solitary tree to provide a year-round interest with its unique flowers, graceful form, and vibrant green foliage. To care for the fringe tree, make sure it's well watered during dry periods, especially in the first few years after planting. Trim back the tree after it finishes flowering to maintain its shape and remove any dead or damaged branches. This will help the tree stay healthy and continue to bloom beautifully year after year. Here's a bonus tip for planting these small trees and shrubs. When choosing the right spot for your plants, always consider their root systems. Some of these trees and shrubs, while small in size, can have relatively shallow roots. This means it's important not to plant them too close to structures like walls or walkways, as their roots may interfere with these structures over time. Also, make sure to give them enough space to spread out, even if they're compact. Providing room for the roots to grow will help your plants establish themselves better, ensuring they thrive for years to come. Keep these tips in mind, and your garden will stay healthy, vibrant, and beautifully balanced. So, there you have it, 7 must-have small trees and shrubs that are perfect for adding beauty, color, and texture to your garden, even if you're working with limited space. From the stunning blooms of the eastern redbud to the fragrant flowers of the fringe tree, each of these plants brings something unique to your outdoor space. Whether you're looking for multi-season interest, vibrant color, or just the right size for a small garden, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, choosing the right plant for your space and climate is key to success, so make sure to consider the USDA hardiness zones and each plant's specific needs. With just a little care and attention, these trees and shrubs will thrive and transform your garden into a year-round oasis. If you enjoyed this video and found these plant picks helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow garden lovers. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more gardening tips, plant ideas, and design inspiration. I'm here to help you grow a beautiful and thriving garden no matter your space or skill level. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these trees or shrubs you'd love to plant in your garden, or share your favorite small trees for tight spaces. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy gardening.